166 species in genus Narcissus. The Narcissus, a personal reflection by Ferb Vu. The Narcissus, a flower so steeped in myth and symbolism, it's hard not to feel a sense of intrigue. As a lover of all things botanical, I've always been drawn to its delicate beauty and vibrant colors. But it's the story behind the bloom that truly captivates me. The tale of Narcissus, the Greek youth who fell in love with his own reflection, adds a layer of complexity to this seemingly simple flower. It speaks to vanity, self-love, and the dangers of obsession. Yet, the Narcissus also represents rebirth and new beginnings, a symbol of hope emerging from the depths of winter. It's this duality that I find so fascinating. The Narcissus is a reminder that beauty can be both alluring and deceptive, and that even the most self-absorbed among us can find redemption. But enough about the mythology. Let's delve into the botanical aspects of this captivating genus. A diverse genus. The Narcissus genus belongs to the Amaryllidaceae family and boasts a wide array of species, each with its unique characteristics. They are predominantly spring-flowering perennials, emerging from humble brown-skinned bulbs to paint the landscape with their vibrant hues. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Beyond the bloom. While the flowers themselves are undoubtedly the main attraction, the Narcissus plant offers more than just visual appeal. The bulbs, for instance, have been used for medicinal purposes throughout history. While I wouldn't recommend self-medicating, it's interesting to note their historical significance in treating ailments like wounds and even tumors. Furthermore, the Narcissus plays a vital role in the ecosystem. Its early spring blooms provide a crucial source of nectar for pollinators like bees and butterflies, who are just emerging from their winter slumber. Cultivating beauty. As an avid gardener, I've had the pleasure of cultivating several Narcissus species in my own backyard. They are relatively low-maintenance plants, requiring well-drained soil and ample sunlight to thrive. The anticipation as the shoots emerge from the ground in early spring is always exciting, and the reward of their vibrant blooms makes the minimal effort worthwhile. One of the joys of growing Narcissus is their ability to naturalize. This means they will multiply and spread over time, creating a beautiful, ever-expanding display. It's like having a little piece of springtime magic that returns year after year. A timeless symbol. The Narcissus, with its rich history and diverse beauty, continues to fascinate and inspire. Whether you're drawn to its mythological significance, its botanical intricacies, or simply its aesthetic appeal, there's no denying the enduring allure of this captivating flower. For me, the Narcissus serves as a reminder of the cyclical nature of life, the beauty that can emerge from darkness, and the importance of appreciating the present moment. It's a symbol of hope, resilience, and the enduring power of nature.